Hello. This is my mixer, YAMAHA MG124CX, and I have also MG124C. So I have a two mixer, and then both of are broken. So now it's, you know, so okay. So this say 9, 10, and 7, 8. There are uh, two okay, have inside. So problem is PFL, okay, PFL. So it can put in the on there. So now how I change the volume is only here. Okay, so this is the monitor phone. So I want to, a volume on off. So cannot use this monitor mix, means stereo out. So if I put here and music come out from, so it's off. If I do on, and then music not come out. So this is a problem. So I had the Yamaha. The Yamaha said the maybe problem is the PFL. So need to fix it, this problem. So now I know how to open this machine, take it out, and has a board. And I want to know. I see the other someone fixing the MG1 to some other thing, and the same problem. PFL is broken. If you put the music here, so it's fader doesn't mean. So this just you can use it. So I wanna use like this. So I wanna put in the music and several one time and then change the like this. So I cannot do it. So please someone tell me how I fix a PFL and it's on off. If I do on, no off, no off. But music come out and like do this and the music come out. So please tell me how to fix it. So it's board is the motherboard. No, I mean the board. I don't know in the English, but the board is broken. So maybe some, it has been using this for a long time for professionally outside of the studio, dance studio. It was using the. So many people are using this. Many no. So many people coming and use this same machine like this. So I have two things like this, and the same two machine has the same problems. It's PFL. So I have a things like the stick and then make the one thing and then make it hotter and then do like this. How do you say? It's handa in Japanese. Handa zuke. I don't know in English, but I can do it. It's like this. So, but other way I don't know how to do it. So once I take it out this thing and the PFL, how where I can check how I check it and then like this. So if you want please tell me. Thank you very much for watching. Hope I want to make it clear. So thank you. Bye. ありがとうございました。失礼します。